Struggling with different ridge scenarios? Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Aditi and I'll guide you for the selection of right material for every ridge condition. Clinically, we come across these conditions of ideal ridge, flabby ridge, knife edge ridge, and severely resorbed ridge. Here, I'll be discussing these conditions one by one. Coming to ideal ridge. Ideal ridge is when there is sufficient height and width of the ridges available for retention, stability, and support of the denture. In such scenario, the conventional method is using the primary impression with the impression compound, which is mucocompressive in nature, and the secondary impression or the wash impression is obtained using zinc oxide eugenol. This wash impression can also be replaced using light body or alginate impression material. Another time-saving procedure is taking the impression in single go. For that, one option is silicon impression, which is available in addition silicon and condensation silicon form. These materials are available in different consistencies. So here, the heavy body material is used to obtain the base impression and light body is used for the wash impression. And another option for taking single impression is alginate impression material. This material is irreversible hydrocolloid. It is cost effective and most importantly, it requires good clinical skills and the consistency of material while taking the impression is very important. Another condition is knife edge ridge. Basically, due to the faster bone resorption at the lingual and the buccal area leads to knife edge ridge. Our aim should be to avoid pressure so that there will be no soreness and further resorption of the ridge. For obtaining this, differential pressure technique is used. In this, the primary impression is obtained using the mucostatic impression material like alginate, and the secondary impression is obtained with the help of medium body impression material. And this medium body material is removed in the ridge area where the light body wash impression is obtained. So in this, we have covered the ideal ridge and the knife edge ridge. So if you wish to know more about these techniques and materials, do let me know in the comment section. Stay tuned for more tips on mastering impressions. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.